Can you picture it? Waking up to the sunrise over the river, stepping into your kitchen to cook a meal and going right to your front porch to enjoy your breakfast. Spending the day exploring Belize, hiking in the jungle, tubing down the river, or even visiting some of the Mayan temples, and being able to come back to this home where nature meets comfort. The riverbend isn't just a property, it's an invitation for you to slow down and embrace a lifestyle that's rare and priceless. Welcome home. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a spacious, open-concept living and dining area. High ceilings and large windows allow light to pour in and offer panoramic views of the river just beyond your doorstep. The fully equipped kitchen is ideal for hosting, whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full meal to enjoy on the kitchen island. The layout on this ground floor flows seamlessly, creating an inviting communal space for family or guests. Let's head upstairs where the river house reveals its master bedroom, designed to maximize comfort and the surrounding nature. Welcome to the mother-in-law suite, a private, comfortable space. Whether it's for visiting family, long-term guests, or even rental income potential, this suite offers the perfect balance of independence and connection. Only 10 minutes away from San Ignacio town, a short 20 minutes drive from Spanish Lookout, giving you access to clinic, shop, and local services. If you would like to learn more, you can reach us at info@lunarealtybelize.com or scan the QR code. I'm Angie. Talk to you guys soon.